Come here, Pats. Here, Pats. Hey, they're both having a go. You haven't, Pats? It's behind you! Oh, that was close, that one, wasn't it?
That one's a bit more daring, isn't it? Hey.
Come here! Here! Shall we run across the road?
Yeah. One's distracting, isn't it? It's got to be a YouTube job. Show us. Yeah, but she's going to have one. Brought a friend tomorrow for free. Fucking drop shot you next time, Patsy.
Must be related to you something.
Yeah.
Go over it.
Oh, he's shit as well. He's shit over the hood, do you know what I mean? Did you shit on your nose, Pat?
Nasty bastards, Pats.
There's three of them there. Don't think that was a good joining.
That weren't a seagull, that other one, was it?
Yeah.
There goes.
Don't even try to look, do you, Pat?
That's probably thinking.
No, there's three of them, yeah.
There's three of them.
And I'll show them what for.
They'll gang with them soon.
Come here! Come here! Oi! You can have a go at me, bastard.
There's only two of them doing it at the minute. See that third one. Hey! Oh, here's three of them there. And they were going to come in for one.
You want to see these pigeons having a go at her?
I think they've given up, didn't they?
The seagull. The seagull coming down it.
Two of them having a go at her.
No, they...
No
one's
Here comes, look.
that way.
Kamikaze, want it?
Oh, I thought one fucked off, but it was a different seagull.